Well, today, again, I'm changing things around, and I'm going to work on one of these Japanese things, 2017 Toyota Tacoma. I'm gonna show you how to change the air filter on it, so stick around. Here we go. I think you're supposed to take this off, but I'm going to try and do it without taking the intake lead off. So it's two of these puppies, and then we're going to tilt it up and pull. You saw how easy that was. And then this comes out. See how dirty it is. So, and then the replacement is right here, nice and clean. You can see the difference. See that? Woo-hoo! So, and then you put it back in. Make sure it's sealed so you don't suck anything in. And then make sure it seals back down. But it would appear that I'm... Come on, man. You can do it. You can do it. No good rocket sassafras. This will all be edited out.
Keep all the exciting stuff in there. Why is that not coming in flat?
I don't know.
Is it meeting in the back?
Yeah.
There it is.
That's why right there. You still filming?
Oh yeah.
Okay, and then once you put that on, you just tighten these back down. And bam, you're done. So that's how you change the air filter in a 2017 Tacoma with some kind of 4-cylinder engine. I don't know what it is, but there you go. I think I'll look it up, but I think it's like a 2.7. I'll put it in the title. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And I might have some more Toyota now that I got. It's not mine. I'm just helping somebody. Thank you.